Hello, and welcome to the Independent Learning Center website orientation. This PowerPoint video presentation will help your facilitators and students learn to use and navigate the ILC webpage. You can also use this presentation to teach others how to use this website and to see how students can get help if they need it. The purpose of the website orientation is to teach new students, new ILC staff and facilitators the important functions of the ILC website. New students often have many questions about where to locate certain important information, as well as new facilitators who need to help those students. This presentation should help you easily learn where all the important things are. Next, it will help guide new students through the important areas of the site and where to find answers to questions. Many students ask facilitators to help them with material, but sometimes we need to use the website to contact the teachers for each course. This will be helpful for you to find those areas. Lastly, we will show facilitators the areas of the site they will use on a day-to-day basis. Facilitators should be very comfortable using the ILC website, and this will help them navigate the site and teach students how to navigate it too. Here we are on the front page for ILC. This is the page that all students should open when they start the class. As you can see, there are four main areas: future students, current students, educators and partners, and GED and testing. All students should go to the current students section to log in. You should enter and log into the site at the top right corner where it says My ILC. This is the home page for ILC. It has useful sections such as a high school course list for all courses, course procedures for rules and regulations, sections explaining how to send work online, and how marking and tests work. This website has been updated recently, so it may look slightly different from this slide. However, the function is still the same. You can log into the website through the My ILC button. After hitting the button, you will arrive here. Here is where you enter your username and password. This is the login page where students can log into their account. There is also a help menu on the right side of the screen with frequently asked questions, how to submit work, course procedures, especially about plagiarism, and requests for forms such as transcripts. The help menu is very useful if students ask questions about specific procedures and policies involving the course. When you log in, this is the first thing you will see. This is the Course tab. Students can access all their courses here. There is also information such as course codes, course progression, and a link to each individual course. Here is the main area where students will view all of their courses, and they can go to each course individually. Next is the Records tab. Here you can see a list of current and past courses, enrollment dates, units completed, and credit totals. This tab is very useful to see the progress of a student, what credits they've already received, and which credits they are currently doing. It is a full summary of everything they are studying, including their credit value. Next we have the Messages tab. Here you can read messages and announcements from ILC. This is where students can read answers to questions that they have sent to their teacher. This is basically the inbox where you would receive all the messages to and from ILC. Any important announcements from ILC are also received here. This next tab is the Locker tab. A few courses have files or documents that are accessed here, but most courses will not use the Locker. If you click the Help tab, here you can go to Contact. This is the Contact Us area. This is used for when you need to directly contact the teacher for a course. Use the message field here to send the teacher a direct message, such as help with a difficult question your facilitator cannot answer, or any issues with grading. Students can use this area to contact the teacher directly, so if the facilitator cannot answer a question, here is where they would reply. Next is the Profile tab. It shows profile information like student number. Here you can see an example student with their student name and the area for student number. Very useful if the student needs their student number for sending homework. Some courses use PDF documents to show course material. This is a PDF online course. Click on the View tab to download the file. Make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer before you do this. So in this course, it's a PDF course, they can click the button to download the documents onto their computer. Here is a sample. This is from a grade 11 biology course. This is a sample PDF document about science and evolution. Next, we have the Send Your Work tab. Students can use this Send Your Work tab when you are ready to upload key questions or send homework at the end of a unit. Files must be in Microsoft Word document format. This final tab is the Practice Test tab. It's very useful for sample tests that students can use to prepare for their final test. As you can see, by clicking Download, you can download a practice test that students should practice before they do the real final test. The answers are only online. You cannot print the answers. Most other courses, however, are online-only courses that look like this. They have a different looking home page. You can scroll down to see the unit list and course view button. As you can see here, all of the units, their status, if they are still in progress or marked, as well as links to the assessments are viewable. Also, the course view button lets you go to the main course hub. Here is the course hub. Online courses are organized into units, lessons, and individual slides. You can navigate all the sections of each lesson from here. Click right or left to move through each unit. Here is a sample unit. This is Unit 1, Lesson 1, Themes in Agamemnon from Grade 12 English. So, as you can see, most of the students' work will be looking at their online course or their PDF course. This is a sample course flow of how a student and facilitator will guide the student through the course. Students begin by logging into the ILC website. Students then use the ILC website to study information, send assignments online, and prepare for tests. The facilitator's main job is to assist with this process. So as students go through the course, the facilitators can help the students as they have any questions or if they have any problems using the ILC website.